is dedicated to improving a better healthcare environment through innovation and precision. FENG Co. Ltd. is your expert partner in developing key medical components for infusion and drug delivery systems. Our innovative needle-free dual sealing and neutral pressure technology sets new safety standards for infusion. Our high-quality medical plastic components are manufactured in clean rooms, certified to ISO 13485 standards. From mold design and injection molding to final assembly, we provide a one-stop manufacturing solution with strict quality control. Trusted by global healthcare leaders, we offer OEM and customized solutions tailored to your specific needs. With over 30 years of experience, our passion stems from a mission to protect lives through quality products. Through cross-industry collaboration, FENG advances healthcare together with global medical brands. FENG, connecting the world through innovation, protecting lives with quality.